All right, taking a turn to weather, and we're going to look at the Gulf right now. Tropical storm Raphael chugging past western Jamaica today, and it is expected to strengthen into a hurricane as it heads towards Cuba. The storm has maximum sustained winds of 60 miles per hour. Forecasters expect it to rapidly intensify over the next 24 to 36 hours. Raphael is expected to hit the Cayman Islands tonight and make landfall in Cuba tomorrow.
And it looks like it's headed toward that, according to that track, maybe Louisiana, Texas?
Yeah, and we'll see what kind of shape it's in. Now, believe it or not, some of the moisture from that may get picked up and brought up here over the weekend. So some potential weekend rain impacts from that system. Of course, we have some impacts of our own happening right now. We had the wind, we had the warm temperatures, and as expected now we have the rainfall here in central Indiana. So again, we'll keep you posted on Raphael. This is what's happening from a national perspective, getting ready for a big winter storm over the Colorado Rockies. More importantly for us, this is what's left over of the cold front that spawned the severe weather in the central part of the country. We told you we didn't expect severe weather, but now we have the rain that's reached Indianapolis, but we still got dry weather there in Muncie and Richmond, likely probably another hour or so, if not a little bit longer. This is not terribly heavy rainfall right now, but we do think we will at least have some downpours whipped around by this wind due to an air mass that, quite frankly, for November is on the humid side. But we've got just kind of a steady rain that's set up here from Carmel. It's now reached Tipton. It's over Marion now. It's reached Franklin. And you can see there's additional rain back to the west here. So again, if you have some friends or family that are standing in line, maybe they're east of this line, you want to give them a heads up there in Knightstown and Muncie, that over the course of the next hour, depending on how long that line is to get in, that they could be dealing with the rain as it moves through. Here in Indy, 71 degrees with the south wind that's eased a little bit, but it's still sustained at 15. We've had gusts that have been over 20 miles per hour. So far, 75 degrees. That makes it the fourth warmest election day in Indianapolis and the warmest since 2003. Any way you slice it, today was way above average, and we're going to stay above average here this evening. Breezy, mild, and damp. And at times we are going to have pockets of heavy rain to the tune of some locations by tomorrow morning could have over an inch of rain, depending on where you are in relation to what we do expect will eventually be some heavier banding of rainfall here this evening. So here it is at 6 o'clock when the polls are closing. There comes the next batch, and we've told you that front is still back to the west of us. So we'll have these bouts of downpours that will come moving through here. This is at midnight. That's with the front itself. Now, we do get behind the front tomorrow. We do cool down, but we're still above the average high for this time of year. We'll get some sunshine late in the day, mainly sunny Thursday and Friday, and then we'll keep an eye out on what happens with Raphael as we'll get some of those rain impacts possibly as we go into the weekend.